Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, Ghetto the saga crosses 500 million naira in box office. Let's check out details.
Movement. But you know what you're doing is not right.
What I'm doing is not right. Yes, I know. I'm lefty, so what I'm doing is left.
The blockbuster Ghetto the Saga comedy movie by Nollywood actress Funke Akindele, aka Jennifer, has become the first to cross 500 million in box office. According to reports, the blockbuster is officially the first Nollywood film to cross 500 million naira in Nigerian box office. The Cinema Exhibitors Association of Nigeria recently announced that the movie had become the highest-grossing Nollywood movie ever. In a statement last week, the Cinema Exhibitor Association said the 2020 comedy film has so far grossed 468,036,300 after holding the number one spot for its third week in a row. Ghetto has officially broken a 4 years record by kicking off Kemi Adetiba's 2016 comedy movie, The Wedding Party. The movie had been highest-grossing Nollywood movie with 453 million, and in third place is The Wedding Party 2 with 433,197,377. According to the CEAN report, the movie, which has maintained the number one spot for 6 weeks in a row, has broken Nollywood's box office record with a cum revenue of 501,449,050. The last record comes barely a week after it surpassed Kemi Adetiba's The Wedding Party, smashing its 4-year record. The movie, which is a sequel to the 2010 trilogy of Ghetto, the story of Shalewa aka Lefty Funke Akindele, was released on Christmas Day in 2020. Lefty Funke Akindele struggled between living a life of wealth and comfort provided by her adopted mother or returning to her ghetto lifestyle. Akindele, who produced and co-directed the film, played the dual role of Ayomide and Lefty, and she starred alongside Tina Imba, Adebayo Salami aka Ogabelo, Chioma Bimbo Thomas, Eniola Badmus, Deyemi Okonlawon, Zubi Michael, Mercy Ayigbe, Timini Ekbusin, Alex Ekubo, Nancy Sime, amongst others. Reacting to this, Funke Akindele wrote, "Wow, this is huge. Please keep swiping to see all the achievements. #Ghetto the Saga movie is huge. Congratulations to Funke Akindele, JJC Skills, and the entire cast and crew of Ghetto. Una do well." Also, Eniola Badmus wrote on Instagram, "We made history. Congratulations to the cast and crew." Well, you would definitely agree with me that Ghetto the Saga deserves all the attention it's currently getting. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.